Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is one of the most popular foods in the world. Corn. Bright yellow, sweet, filling. Many people enjoy corn during summer. Others use it daily in different meals. But corn offers more than taste. Let's begin with energy. Corn contains carbohydrates. Your body uses carbohydrates as fuel. This supports daily activity. Another important benefit is fiber. Corn contains natural fiber. Fiber supports digestion. Your gut functions more smoothly. Then comes your eyes. Corn contains plant compounds that support vision. This helps protect your eyes over time. Another important area is antioxidants. Corn contains natural antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells from internal stress. This supports long-term wellness. Now let's talk about your heart. Corn contains nutrients that support circulation. Your cardiovascular system functions more efficiently. Another important point is minerals. Corn contains magnesium plus other important nutrients. These support muscle function. They also support body balance. Then comes your skin. Corn contains nutrients that support healthier appearance. Your skin may look fresher over time. Another important benefit is versatility. Corn can be boiled, grilled, added to salads, soups, many meals. This makes it easy to include in balanced nutrition. But here is the truth. Not all corn products are equally healthy. Highly processed snacks are different from fresh corn. Balance matters. Preparation matters. Fresh boiled corn is usually a better option. Now here is the key idea. Simple natural foods can support your body in powerful ways. You do not always need complicated diets. Nature already provides many useful choices. Because real health is built from consistent habits. Small, smart decisions. Repeated every day. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.